Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a fully furnished, luxurious, standalone, 4 bedroom, 5.5 bathroom townhouse located in a small, upscale private complex on Norbrook Close with 24-hour security, pool, generator, water heater and purifier, rooftop entertainment and views of the city. It comes with major appliances and inverter AC units. Call your agent today to make this your own because opportunities like these rarely comes around. Guys, let's take a look at this townhouse and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The monthly rental price for this townhouse is US 5,500 or Jamaican $846,500. To rent this townhouse, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.